The question number, this I think fifth was done in the previous class itself. Answer is C. Similar question is this also. Homework number 1. This was done or just this was in homework or not?
This was
done. Okay, this one. Car moving in the straight line covers half of the distance. This was also done. Similar to the pre. Iska kitna error? This was done, na? The answer will be, if you put the values and simplify, it will be coming 48 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है. उसके बाद ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट वाला क्वेश्चन आई थिंक वी हैड डन अर्लियर. इट वाज नॉट इन योर बैच, है ना? ये वाला क्वेश्चन था ना, आई थिंक तुम्हारे बैच में कंप्लीट हो चुका था. पार्टिकल गोस 50 किलोमीटर लाइक दिस एंड देन 40 किलोमीटर दिस वे एंड अगेन कम्स बैक 20 किलोमीटर लाइक दिस, है ना? और ये 50 था. फाइंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो ये वाला ये रहेगा डिस्प्लेसमेंट. दिस विल बी 40 एंड ये 50 minus 20, this will be 30. ये 40 है, ये 30 है, तो 50 will be the answer displacement का. Was it given to your batch or not? No.
No, sir, this was not given.
Earlier it was given. Earlier it was given. ठीक है. It was given earlier or not? Okay, चलो no. Just I am repeating the question. एक कार है, ऐसे जाती है 50.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Then 40 towards, find the displacement. तो ये displacement आएगा. ये 40 था, ये 20 coming back था, तो displacement will be 50 किलोमीटर. ठीक है. Yes. Okay. This was the definition of your average velocity. Already done. This we have done the formula. Here it is the formula. Acceleration was discussed in the previous class. And this was the question, I think, object thrown vertically upward. Find the direction of acceleration.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो जब ऊपर फेंकेंगे, when it is going up, what is the direction of acceleration? It is going up. Acceleration will be in which direction?
Downward.
Downward. Why? Why downward?
Gravity.
Because
Due to gravity.
Gravity. Because due to gravity, force is in downward direction. Acceleration will be in downward direction. So downward. Therefore, the velocity will decrease. अगर opposite नहीं होगा, velocity will not decrease. Opposite होगा, velocity will decrease slowly. ठीक है. और at the highest point जहाँ पर velocity 0 हो जाती है, वहाँ पर acceleration रहेगा क्या? Will there be acceleration at the top of its journey? Yes, acceleration will be downward. Then therefore body comes back. If acceleration is not there, the object will remain there. Object will remain there if acceleration is not there. It will come to the halt there and it will continue to remain at rest. Because of acceleration, it comes back. Downward acceleration है. देखो, कभी भी अगर body rest पर है और there is acceleration, so it will move in the direction of acceleration. Starting from rest, body will move in the direction of acceleration because in that direction force will be there. F is equal to ma होता है. जिधर acceleration होगा उधर force होगा. The highest point पे rest पर है, but acceleration is downward, force is downward, it will start coming downward. There is the acceleration. If acceleration not there, it is not there at the highest point, it will come to the rest forever. But it is not happening, it is coming down. And of course, when it is coming down, acceleration is remaining downward only. Acceleration is not changing its direction. जब acceleration and velocity same direction में होते हैं, तो स्पीड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इंक्रीजेस। यस सर, नो? अपोजिट होते थे कम हो जाते, यहाँ पे v डिक्रीज है, देखो दोनों अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, यहाँ पे v इंक्रीज है बिकॉज सेम डायरेक्शन में। ऑल राइट, तो दिस इज द एनसीईआरटी बुक क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, अच्छा एंगल पे फेंके तो ये पार्ट नहीं है एनसीईआरटी बुक में। अगर एंगल पे फेंकेंगे तब एक्सेलरेशन किधर होगा? इफ आई थ्रो इट लाइक दिस, तब एक्सेलरेशन किधर होगा? देन आल्सो डाउनवर्ड एट एवरी पॉइंट। पार्टिकल यहाँ पे है तभी भी डाउनवर्ड है, हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर है। ये नेक्स्ट चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है एक्चुअली। फिर भी आई टोल्ड यू एक्सेलरेशन किधर होगा? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ नेट फोर्स। हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे क्या होता है? वेलोसिटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन के बीच में एंगल 90 हो जाता है। व्हेन वी थ्रो इट एट सम एंगल, it is called projectile. In case of projectile, oblique projectile, at the top of its journey, angle between velocity and acceleration is 90 degree. Initially more है, देखो more than 90, फिर बाद में less than 90 हो जाएगा. But it will remain. Question is this: at every point, acceleration will remain downward. It is not depending upon the direction of velocity. That is the main point here. Angle we are not discussing. एंगल का कोई वो नहीं है अभी, ठीक है। तो क्या कंक्लूजन निकला? इफ वी थ्रो वर्टिकली अप और इफ वी थ्रो एट सम एंगल, in each case acceleration is always downward irrespective of direction of velocity. You can ask your doubts. Okay, then this was the other question. Car starts from rest and picks up the speed of 36 km/h in 5 seconds while moving in the straight line. Find the acceleration. The initial velocity is 0, और after 5 seconds it is 10 meter per second. Time कितना दिया? 5 seconds. तो average acceleration is change of velocity upon time. Velocity कितनी change हो रही है? 10 minus v minus u, that's 10 only. Time कितना है? Time interval is 5, so 2 meter per second square. All right. और सेकेंड पार्ट भी था इसका। सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या? ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड, the car comes to rest. The initial velocity will be 10, final velocity will be 0, time duration is 10. तो यहाँ पर देखो average acceleration will be final velocity minus initial velocity upon t. Because it was moving at 10, यहाँ पे देखो 10 से मूव कर रही थी, तो एंड फाइनली ब्रेक लगने के बाद रेस्ट पर आ गई, तो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी विल बी 10 नाउ. Final is 0. We'll put according to that 0 minus 10 upon 10 to minus 1 meter per second square. Retardation, opposite direction. Acceleration is in opposite direction. Therefore car comes to rest. अगर acceleration forward direction में होगा तो कार रेस्ट पर नहीं आएगी और स्पीड बढ़ेगी उसकी. That's what is happening when we press the accelerator. When we apply the brake, acceleration is in opposite direction, the speed is in the forward direction, velocity is in the forward direction, both are opposite, therefore the speed will decrease. Got it? चलो फिर आगे देखें. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Some of you have done it wrong, some of you have done it right. What should be करेक्ट आंसर। क्या आंसर होना चाहिए इसका? Sakshi Singh. What should be the answer? What is your answer? Are you there? If you are not responding means you are somewhere else, not paying attention, है ना? Other Sakshi?
Sir, I think it's zero acceleration
Why and how?
because the velocity is constant.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay, so velocity is constant. It is given constant velocity. Means V1 is 72. 72 means 20. 20 meter per second. V2 is also 20 meter per second constant there. Time is 10. So when we put the value, average acceleration is change of velocity, V2 minus V1 by T. So 20 minus 20 upon T. So 0. So no acceleration. All right. So just to test your concept, understanding a question दिया था. Generally, this type of question may not be asked in the examination. है ना? Any difficulty so far? To sum up your done it wrong. तुम लोगों ने क्या किया है? Change of velocity, only velocity लिखा 20 by 10 लिख दिया है. It should be change. If there is no change, there is no acceleration. It is not V by T. Okay. Okay then. This was the next question. Ball hits the ground with the speed 5 meters per second, and in 2 seconds it bounces back with the speed 2 meters per second. So suppose we consider the downward direction negative and upward direction positive. So initially ball is coming down with the velocity 5 meters. The downward direction है. So V1 will be -5, and finally it is bouncing back, going up. So V2 will be plus. Okay. Now change of velocity will be, okay, we can write the acceleration. Average acceleration is change of velocity. That is V2 minus V1 upon time taken for that change. So V2 is 2 minus 5. Time was how much? T was given how much? 2 seconds. 2. So 2. So that's 2 plus 5, 7 by 2. 3.5 meter per second square. Direction up या down? Direction किधर इसकी? Up या down?
So up.
Up. एक मिनट, just hold on. Whose answer is up? Elena का answer up है. You replied or who replied? Elena, you replied. Next, any other? Aprajita, what is your answer? Up or down? Kartikeya,
So upward.
upward. Asmi, Piyush, up or down? So many of you are not responding. Why? Rajlakshmi,
So upward.
how? Explain it. Acceleration due to gravity तो नीचे होता है. Why it is upward? तो that is instantaneous acceleration है ना. ये average acceleration है. Average acceleration की definition ये है. तो since it is coming plus, देखो यहाँ पे plus आया. You see, it is plus 3.5. Plus direction is upward. ठीक है? तो upward, since it is plus. Plus 3.5. माइनस आता है तो हम लोग चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी देखो प्लस आ रही है ना, इट विल बी इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी. चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी ये है, इट इज कमिंग 7 प्लस 7. इसलिए टाइम तो स्केलर क्वांटिटी, टाइम डायरेक्शन डिसाइड नहीं करता. चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी विल डिसाइड. इफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज पॉजिटिव तो एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन विल बी पॉजिटिव. तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन इज in the direction of change of velocity. We are written in the notes. You can just check it. Got it? So these are the crucial points which are not there in the books. And very important points, particularly used in the competitive examinations. तो दोनों ऑप्शन दे देंगे, प्लस 3.5 अपवर्ड, प्लस 3.5 डाउनवर्ड, ऐसा है ना. मैग्नीट्यूड 3.5, डायरेक्शन अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड, ऐसे दे देंगे. All right, no difficulty so far. Shall I move on to the next topic? Okay. So now